package is muscling its way through the Congress, and Democratic governors and mayors play shutdown, shelter, and hide again. So, let's talk about the good news. Let's talk about the vaccine. It is now out, and it's moving fast. It's moving from state